Okay, we had a podcast listener today ask us a question. That question was, if the seller has a property listed with an agent, but all of my contact has been with the seller directly, if I buy this house, do I have to pay the agent? And the answer to that question is, if the seller has a contract with an agent, that seller is liable to pay that commission. You are not. You don't have an agreement with that agent, so you're not liable for anything. If you strike a deal with that seller and a listed arrangement is going on, that's going to be between that seller and that agent, and that's something that they're going to have to work out. Now, my recommendation to you is make one of the questions that you ask a seller initially, is your property listed? And if it is, tell them you'd love to buy it, but they really need to either let that listing expire or cancel it so you can move forward, because you don't want them to be liable to pay that agent's commission. That's the best way to handle that. But as far as if you buy a house from a seller that has a listed property, are you responsible for that commission? No, you're not. The seller signed that agreement with that agent, and they are the ones that are on the hook for that commission.